First divisions, the decisions of the respondents is to arrive that had works plans Legion's Hotel Tanglao Restaurants from September 1999. The initial rate of 400 pesos at night was the given to him after each night's performance as the rate had increased of 750 a night. So, so that during his employment he could not choose to that the time performance which has been fixed from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. for the 3 to 6 times week. He added that the Legion's Hotel Restaurant's manager had required him to comfort the venue's we define that has been subjected to the rules employments representations to check the cheats to privilege granted to another employees on July 9, 1999. The management has been notified his as the cost-cutting measures his services as the clients would be no longer required of effective July 30, 1999. That the disputed an excuse to enlisting the Legion's Hotel has been lucratively operating as the follow feeling of this compliance is the dues of employment made him bring his compliance. And it's the defense, the petitioner denied. So the existence of employer is to the employee to relationship with the respondents insisting that he had been only talents to engage because to provide live music to hotels Madison's coffee shop for the 3 hours a day. So on 2 days in each week, he states the economic crisis that had hit the country constrained its management to dispense with these services. So why we denied? The petitions for review on the statutory and affirm the decisions of the Courts of Appeals promulgated on February 11, 2002. Subjects of the modifications should be reinstatement be no longer feasible of petitioner shall pay to respondents pay of a month every year service computed from September 1992 until the finality of decisions and the full back wage from the time of compensation was within the hill until the finality of the decisions. That's all. Thank you.